Hi there, this is Hawaii and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to set up affordable party decor at home. If you're first time here in my video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified in my next video. Inflate 4 balloons to create flower petals. You may want to select balloons that are the same color to help them look like petals of the same flower. After you inflate each balloon, hold it at the end and make sure it has the same size. If it's too big or too small, inflate or deflate it accordingly. Tie the end of each balloon when you're done. And also inflate smaller balloons to create a flower center. Tie one set of 2 balloon flower petals together. Tie the 2 sets of balloon flower petals together. The balloons may not feel stable during this process, but they'll be positioned correctly once you add the center. Take one small balloon and wrap them around the flower petals. At the center, arrange and decorate balloon name prints. Thank you for watching and see you in my next DIY projects. Bye!